deep diving into the concept of hobbies and interest. Firstly, I will tell you what is hobby and what is interest, and then I will tell you the differences between them. So, what is a hobby? So, hobby is an activity that involves passionate feelings and that is coupled with dedicated time and effort. जिसमें आपके अंदर फीलिंग होती है और उसमें आप टाइम और समय भी लगाते हैं. So, this is a hobby. And now coming to the interest. So interest is just an urge or a feeling that develops due to the curiosity and concern to be involved in something. इसमें आपको क्या होता है कि फील होती है कि आप किसी में इन्वॉल्व होना चाहते हैं, लेकिन आप उसमें टाइम या एफर्ट दें ये जरूरी नहीं है. So this is interest and that is hobby. Now coming to the differences between hobbies and interest. So hobbies are actively pursued and interests are not actively pursued, which means that it is done regularly and these are done occasionally. If you feel to do, then you will do, but this will be done regularly. And hobbies are done for relaxation and pleasure, and interests are done because of your curiosity and concern for something. Now coming to the hobbies when they are done, it is done in free time, and interests are done in free and work time also. आपके फ्री टाइम और स्पेयर टाइम में भी ये कर सकते हैं, और आप जब काम कर रहे हैं अपना असली काम, वो उसमें भी आप इंटरेस्ट को फॉलो कर सकते हैं. और हॉबीज लेकिन फ्री टाइम में होता है, फ्री टाइम में ही आप हॉबीज को परस्यू करते हैं, क्योंकि आपको रिलैक्सेशन और प्लेजर चाहिए. अपने रोजमर्रा के काम से, आपके डेली रूटीन से आप हटना है, तो आप हॉबीज का सहारा लेते हैं. सो हॉबीज आर ड्रिवन बाय इंटरेस्ट, एंड बिकॉज इफ यू हैव इंटरेस्ट इन समथिंग एंड इफ यू विल डेडिकेट सम टाइम एंड एफर्ट इन दैट, देन इट विल ऑटोमेटिकली बिकम हॉबी. अगर आपको कोई काम अच्छा लगता है, आपके अंदर क्यूरियोसिटी है, अगर आप उसमें समय और टाइम देंगे तभी तो वो चीज हॉबी बनेगी. तो इंटरेस्ट हॉबी बन जाती है अगर आप टाइम और समय देते हैं. So that is why it is written driven by interest. Now interest not necessarily lead to hobbies. सारी आपके इंटरेस्ट हॉबीज नहीं बन सकती है, ऐसा जरूरी नहीं है. कुछ इंटरेस्ट आपकी हॉबीज बन सकती हैं, लेकिन सारी नहीं बन सकती है. So in this example क्या होगा हॉबीज के? So the example of hobbies are collecting stamps and traveling. So these are some of the examples of hobbies. So you can write any hobby which you are dedicating your time and effort and you are doing regularly, that is your hobby. Now coming to interest. Interest is listening to music or cooking, or the things which you are not doing regularly or you are doing just for your concern or just for curiosity. You have something for it, so you are doing, but you are not dedicating your time and effort. That is the main point. The things which you are done regularly apart from your work, that is your hobby, and which are not done regularly apart from work, that is your interest. So this is all about hobbies and interest, and this you have to write in your introduction. And I think I have told you about this, and you are now in a state to differentiate between your hobbies and interest.